Hey there guys, it's Marlena Burton. Super excited to be here to help you break those chains of unbelief and start allowing abundance to flow in every area of your life. And so, I am doing something called Whiteboard Work. It's a 90-day practice for me, 90 days and beyond. It needs to become a lifestyle, a habit, and it's not something that's new, but something that is going to definitely have my focus, my primary focus, for 90 days. You probably heard that it takes 66 days for something to become automated or to become a habit, or, to get to that place where you are unconsciously competent, okay? Where it starts to become effortless for you. And so a while back I did something called I Appreciate Effortless Abundance, and that is part of that. And so for 90 days, definitely have my primary focus on when someone else is adding something to the whiteboard and when I am adding something to the whiteboard as well. Okay? And so I have to remind myself, I call it a divine reminder, that I can either choose data or I can choose the divine. Okay? And my results will be made manifest accordingly. So only I can choose for me. I can't tell anybody else what to do, but I am making this as a reminder for myself. So if I can help you in any way, let's connect at 618-223-6006. My website is marlenab.clearlythebest.com. And if this video has helped you in any way, please like, comment, and share it. And for me, whether it's in my travel business, whether it's in my Denston energy business, whether it's in my occupation, whatever it is, my goal for me is to help one other person every single day and make a difference in the lives of others. So that's just me. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I love you. Thank you for your time. God bless you. Bye for now.